This type is a door that only has one door leaf and is very suitable for use as the main door in a minimalist house. Percasa partner can use a combination of hollow iron and concrete iron as the main material. It feels like life is in prison when seen from outside the house. This type is a door that has two doors, as in this video. This type can give an elegant and luxurious impression to a minimalist home. There are also a lot of people who use this type. Modern doors are really cool when used and won't give the impression of being out of date. The ideal choice to save space is iron sliding doors or sliding doors. These doors move on tracks and do not require additional space to open or close. The simple and modern design makes sliding doors a popular choice for minimalist homes and apartments. This elegant iron door model not only saves space, but also provides a very attractive aesthetic appearance. Apart from that, sliding doors are often used for limited spaces, such as kitchens, bathrooms, or even as room dividers in minimalist homes. The latest two-door minimalist iron door model is also available in a sliding door variant, which offers additional flexibility for interior decoration. I hope you all can support the Design Student channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. The minimalist glass door model uses a combination of glass and iron frame. These doors provide a clean, modern look and let natural light into the room. Very suitable for balcony doors or doors facing the garden. This elegant minimalist iron door model is often equipped with tempered glass for extra security. Apart from that, minimalist glass doors give the illusion of a wider and brighter space, suitable for homes with an open concept. The latest minimalist two-door iron door model in glass design is often used for access to the terrace or backyard, creating a seamless impression between the interior and exterior of the house. Minimalist panel door models are usually made of wood or composite materials with simple panel designs. This door offers a classic but still modern appearance, very suitable for minimalist home interiors. Panel doors can be painted in various colors to suit the theme of the house. This elegant iron door model is often equipped with iron accents to strengthen the structure and add aesthetics. Minimalist panel doors not only provide an elegant appearance, but are also functional with good sound insulation capabilities. The latest two-door iron doors in panel designs are often used for bedroom doors or main doors, giving a warm and inviting impression. Laser-cut iron doors are a type of door that is cut using laser technology to create very detailed and precise patterns and motifs. This design allows you to add an artistic and personal touch to your door. With the ability to create a variety of patterns, from geometric to natural motifs, this door not only functions as security, but also as a decorative element that attracts attention. Laser-cut doors are perfect for modern or contemporary style homes, offering a combination of security and aesthetics that conventional doors cannot match. Always support the Student channel, by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Thank you for your support. Combining iron materials with wooden accents creates a door that combines strength with natural aesthetics. Wood accents on metal doors provide visual warmth and add an interesting texture to the appearance of the door. This choice is suitable for those who want to create a warmer and friendlier atmosphere in their home without sacrificing the security aspects provided by iron materials. These doors are often used as main doors or patio doors, where durability and visual appeal are equally important. Iron doors with railings are the ideal solution for homes that need additional security as well as a dramatic appearance. Railings on doors are usually made of wrought iron with complicated or simple designs, depending on the homeowner's taste. These railing elements not only add aesthetic value, but also strengthen the door structure, making it more difficult to penetrate. This door is very suitable for use on the main door of the house, creating a strong first impression and providing extra protection from outside interference. With these various design choices, iron doors not only function as home protectors, but also as decorative elements that can enhance the architectural beauty of your home. Choose the design that best suits your home's style and needs to create a safe, comfortable, and aesthetically pleasing environment.